We're just here in the middle of Dundalk, Dundalk, and we're going to check out what Coláiste Lú are up to today.
But to go on Greg and Sean you, le takiak Dumlan a Horts, the Tishmahori as an adulty, the Coláiste Lú. So we're here to support the parents and the students of Coláiste Lú here who have been very badly let down in their education. Darren Leib, Galu Gameg Idigustri Vang Nagaigaku. They were meant to have Irish medium education. Since they've come back after the summer, that's not possible, it's not available. So we're here to support them and say that the government, the education board and the school need to sort this out.
I wanted to go to Coláiste Lú to learn Irish, and so I walked into our first 3 subjects and I kept asking teachers, is this going to be in Irish? And they were like, no, sorry, we ran out of Irish teachers, but we're going to try to get other Irish teachers, but no.
You know, I went to an Irish school to learn Irish. If I want to go to an English school, I'd go to an English school.
They've been trying to get teachers for the English school, but they should also at least try to get a couple of Irish teachers for us as well, because we need like as many teachers as we can get for the subjects that we need to do.
It's safe to say I wouldn't be here today if not for Coláiste Lú. Like, our group was small, and I think we were much better off for it. Like, we had a much more personal relationship with our teachers in a way. They all knew us individually and as individuals, as opposed to just a big group of, you know, teenagers.
We want LME to work with us and prove to us that they're committed to providing an Irish medium language for post-primary kids in Louth, never mind in Dundalk, because there is no other facility in the whole of the county.
I think we'll just have to do a couple of more protests for it to work. Because so far we got a corridor in our school that we only speak Irish in, but teachers are still the same.
We want LMETB to sit down as they said they would and continue to work to get a resolution to all of this, but to show true commitment, initiative and ideas to get teachers that we so desperately need in place so that this can continue and that people will feel confident that next year Gael School pupils will actually enrol in Coláiste Lú to get an education through Irish.
So Andram Darrig is an open public campaign, grassroots campaign to get an Irish Language Act for the North. And we came here today to support the whole community around Coláiste Lú because I think it's just an incredible scandal that the children in Coláiste Lú are now being denied their right to an education as Gaelic.
It's very special for me because my family, they speak Polish, and me and my sister and my 2 younger sisters that go to an Irish primary, we're the only ones in the family that speak Irish. So it's very special, and it'll be kind of ruined if we didn't continue to learn it and we just forgot it.